This is to make the solar robot number 1. So step 1 is to get this plate, get a motor, ensure that the wire is facing downwards. Right, place on it, you see 2 holes. Use a smaller silver screw and to screw it. Okay, step 1 is done. Then we need this, I think it's a worm screw. Push it in to the spindle. May need to use a mallet to push, but let's try. Okay, it's done. Can be done by hand, but after that I'll do this and press it down tight so that it can go further in. Okay, done. Next, step 3. So what we do is we invert the spindle face out, get this black screw, which is the thicker one, push through the hole here, then take this, right, the one without any external screw thread. This is the internal screw thread type. Screw it in. Yes. Okay. Done. Step 4, look for these 2 pieces. Then what you need to do is go through these 2 holes, 1 and 2. Okay. Next, step 5, look for this piece, go through, and then we secure it. Go through. Yeah. Then we'll secure it using this black screw again. Step 6, look for this spindle with gills. Put it in, make sure the gills and the worm gills are touching each other. Then we go to stage 7, look for 2 pieces of this, right? Then fix it in so that the spindle do not move. Secure it like this, and do the same for here. Then we have to use screw to screw it in. Okay, finally it's done. Not easy because the space given is not so much. You have to be careful. So it's done. So now we go to step 8. For step 8, we turn over, look for this, then we shall secure it here with the black screw over here, the thicker one. Right, from here, push in, then we secure it from here, and do for both sides. Okay, now we need to fix the 2 pairs of legs. So we need these 3 things, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can see this one with a big hole and a small hole, and this one with a something like a semicircle. Okay, so this one will go on top. Use the one without, can you see this one? Not the cross one. This one is the female. Put it in here. Right, then secure. Turn over the other side. Secure with the male. Push it in and secure. Then do the same for this side. This way. For this, in this direction. Right, put onto the one on top. Okay. Okay, I finished this one. It's supposed to be movable. Then the other one also done. Can you see they are laterally inverted opposite? Yeah, so that it forms the left and right leg. Yep. Okay, I've missed out one part. So this part here we also need another of this support. Right, you use this and support it here. Right, we shall do for both sides so that this one can mount the leg. Okay, now mount the leg. Make sure the one without the cross 8 is here. This one should be flat. So one goes to this hole and the other one goes to this hole, and then this hole below goes to the white call it off-centered support here. Then we screw it with this, right, silver nut. Okay, it should looks like this. So we shall do the same for the other side. To tighten this too, you need this is given to you, a spanner, so that you can tighten it properly, because it's quite, these are special kind of thing. There's some rubber inside to ensure that the grip is good. So we shall do that. Right, after that you slot a thin black colored screw through here. Now you secure this part, is a bit special. You have to secure it with a big nut and a small nut. Cannot tighten too hard. If it's too tight, then the whole machine may not move. So after that you place there's a double-sided tape here. So what you need to do is put the double-sided tape this solar panel onto the top, and then voila, what we need is some sunlight. So I don't have sunlight, so what I'll use is incandescent light bulb. Okay,